Hello, Heavenly Hobbies, topic 6, Heavenly Hobbies. So we have 16 hobbies. So surfing, where's surfing? Here. Running is here. Skydiving, do you know where skydiving is? Yes, flying in the sky. Horse riding is here. Sailing in a boat. Where is sailing? Here. And football, American football is maybe here. And golf is here. Soccer is football. We play in Europe. Soccer is here. And tennis is here. Skiing. I love skiing. Here's skiing. Rock climbing. It's a dangerous sport. Climbing up the mountain. And canoeing. Canoeing. Hiking. Going for walks in the hills. Hiking. Hunting for animals. Fishing. Okay, fishing. Where's fishing? Anyway, fishing, fishing. And camping. Here is camping. Okay, so different hobbies. Okay, next. So how are the people feeling? So here, I think he feels inspired. Yes, it's very exciting. He's inspired. He is maybe a little bit scared. It's quite high. He's also maybe scared. He looks like he's relaxed. And he's maybe tired. He's bending down gardening. So this is gardening, taking photographs, rock climbing, and parachuting. Okay, what things have you collected or would like to collect? Jaké věci jste sbírali nebo byste chtěli sbírat? So I have collected coins, mince, and I have collected rocks, kamene rocks. You can collect stamps, bottles, you can collect different things. So what are the 10 most popular hobbies in the world? 10 nejpopulárnější koníčky na světě. Do you know? Can you guess? Hádejte. Okay, well, number 1 is going to the spa, relaxing, reading books, novels, surfing the internet, going to the gym, fitness, collecting things you like, sbírání věcí, watching movies, fishing, gardening, playing video games, and number 1 is traveling. So, what do you like the most? Well, I like traveling, maybe watching movies, reading, spa. Which are the healthiest, které jsou nejzdravější? Well, I don't think playing video games, that's not healthy. Maybe fishing, maybe going to the gym, fitness, spa maybe, gardening maybe, outside. Okay, what hobbies can make you more intelligent? Jaký koníčky ti dělají inteligentnější? More intelligent. What do you think? Co si myslíte? Meditation, reading, writing your own blog, for example, například. Learning a new language. Yes, learn your English. You can learn French, Spanish, another language. Playing a musical instrument. Do you play a musical instrument? The piano or guitar. Playing chess. You have to think, maybe strategic board games. Okay. What new hobbies would you like to try? Jaké nový koníčky byste chtěli vyzkoušet? So I would like to try maybe orienteering, or maybe parkour, or maybe new board games. Okay, so that's it. Heavenly Hobbies. Goodbye.